How to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Hello guys, welcome to this new video. And today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. Now here on this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps, and after that scroll until you find Instagram, and when you find it, click on it. Now all what you have to do is click on force stop and then go to the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back, click on the data usage and make sure that all the network access options are enabled, especially the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.